Cleaning up this 5.4 to put a new intake on it. As you see right here, it was leaking really badly. It was a slow leak though, but coolant would get down in this number 5 cylinder hole. And I cleaned it off pretty good. Got a whole new intake for it. Trying to keep stuff out of these intake ports. This side is rough. 280,000 miles. Engine runs really good, but started getting a misfire. It's number 5, number 6. I'm gonna go over here. Go ahead. I got a whole new intake. Doesn't have gaskets, removable gaskets, except for it's got O-ring style. That's the old one. Truck's in good condition, but old man thinks the thing is in tip-top shape, which it is for a 2001. Again, try to get these really clean. This is gonna be worse. Need some brake cleaner on this side. That should get rid of a few misfires though.